Hello, can people on the connect session hear us? Okay, great. So we will start in a minute.
And इसका वो कैसे ऑन करते हैं?
Video?
हाँ ये start with Dhammapada. There are some people who are participating. Morning, friends. We'll begin with Dhammapada, chapter 5, verses 11 to 16 today. We had studied up to 10th last time when we met. 11th is great. Want paper? You will have. You have extra? नहीं ले लो मुझे दे दो संखात 16 मासे मासे मास तो होगा मंथ हिंदी में मास ही है कुशाग्गेन कुशा होती है ना घास कुशाग्गेन मतलब उसका जो घास का नोक है जो उसके ऊपर भी बालों मतलब मूर्ख भुंजे भोजनम खाए भुंजे मतलब खाता है भोजन मतलब खाने जैसे फूल ईट्स फूड इतना सा भोजन खाए थोड़ा सा जितना कि घास के टुकड़े के ऊपर आएगा even then naso samkhata dhammana so even then kalang aghati solasing is 1/16th part kalang is part aghati is worth of that much samkhata dhammana the person who has realized the dhamma so it's a kind of a reproach about people who focus only on asceticism and not try to follow the true dhamma. So the English translation is given here, month by month, Can a fool eat his food with a blade of the kusa grass? Still, he is not worth the 16th part of those who realize it. He is totally inferior to that. See, the story is quite a difficult story, or a strange kind of story of a person who had very strange habits and who developed that, as showing the kind of asceticism people used to practice that. And still, he, even though he had some followers, even then he knew that he was not anywhere near the Buddha. And then that's to kind of give him a advice, Buddha recited this couplet. Nahi papam katang kammam m dot है पढ़िए दोबारा आया नहीं होगा उसमें आपके फोन में अगर वो नहीं हो ना if that font is not there then that it misses those things you guys can't recognize them m with a dot वो पढ़ नहीं पाया होगा ना हिंदी में शायद वो पीडीएफ नहीं भेजा इसको है ना पीडीएफ भेजना चाहिए तो फिर
बालम व व
नहीं पापम कतम कम पापम पाप कतम कम पाप कम किया हुआ पाप कर्म जो है सज्जु क्षीरम व मुच्यते तो उसका फल जल्दी नहीं एकदम नहीं मिल जाता जैसे कि दूध जो है एकदम दही नहीं बन जाता उसको डालने के बाद टाइम लगता है दाहं तंग बालम अनवेति दाहं बर्निंग तंग बालम उस मूर्ख को अनवेति फॉलोज भस्म छन्नो व पावक जैसे कि पावक मतलब अग्नि पे अगर भस्म ऊपर उसको आच्छादित करके रखे उसको रोक के रखे तो आग तो लगी रहती है साथ ही जलती रहती है इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन रीड्स an evil deed when doesn't done doesn't instantly bear fruits just like the mill does not curdle at once burning it follows the food like fire covered with ashes. This is a story about a person who had Venerable Mahamoggallana, he had that sight of seeing things which others could not see. So he saw a ghost in a village. And then Buddha, he told it to Buddha and he mentioned that he had also seen that person and he gave the story of his past, why he has gone to that situation. Then again, so
my.adobeconnect.com slash Buddha study. Buddha Sutta. Buddha Buddha Sutta study. Right. Right. SUTTA study. Right. Okay. Otherwise, this link that I sent last time also should work. Same link.
Story for this verse is about a person who had committed a very grave mistake in his past life, and as a result of which he became a Preta. Story there is given of a state Buddha who was meditating in a place close to his field. So people started going to pay respect, and this person thought कि मेरा field खराब हो जाएगा. He burned his cottage. That evil deed at that time it didn't do anything to him. Only that person Buddha went to the place that ended for him. But then it resulted in severe consequences much later. Sheikh Buddha means a person who has reached the state, but he doesn't have enough background, army, strength to teach people. He is not just an ordinary arhat, much higher than that. He discovered the path. He didn't make mistakes. The farmer, he was staying in a cottage which was near farmer's field. So people used to go to his field to pay respect to the Prasad Buddha. Farmer said कि field मेरा खराब हो जाएगा तो इसको निकालो यहाँ से. So Preta means the ghost. You know these प्रेत योनि में चले जाते हैं अगर perception है ना, there are the people who are remain hungry all the time. They have to, that's why these rituals of feeding the deceased person. Buddha also approved of that category of people. If a person becomes a Preta, then that remains constantly hungry all the time. Then if the relatives perform some meritorious deed remembering him and they feel happy, then that person, since he remains hovering around that family, his past family, he gets that good vibration, he gets. So that is the story for this verse. 13th, let's read. Yavad. Jnana. यावदेव अनर्थाय, अनर्थाय मतलब अर्थ, अनर्थ है. अनर्थ का मतलब अनर्थाय. ज्ञातम मतलब नॉलेज. बालस्य जाय, जो बालक जो मूर्ख है उसके अंदर अगर थोड़ा ज्ञान भी जाता है तो क्वाइट ऑफन इट अराइजेज ओनली फॉर हिज हार्म. यावदेव इंडीड अनर्थाय, अनर्थाय तो अनर्थ के लिए ही जागता है. अगर उसमें थोड़ा बहुत ज्ञान किसी तरह का जाग जाए, किसी तरह का, इट डजंट मीन knowledge here doesn't mean the Dhamma knowledge, it's any other knowledge, or any dexterity or ability is here. अंति बालस्य सुखमस्य, अच्छे कर्म जो है उसके उनको भी वो नाश कर देता है. अंति kills his fortune. Mudham asya vipatayam, just like as if his head is cut apart. So the knowledge can be of that kind can be dangerous for a foolish person. Here again, the stories of another person whom Venerable Moggallana saw had become a Preta because of very strange kind of a thing. The person had developed the ability of hitting, marking arrows and throwing stones at people. So he used to practice that. And his teacher had told him that you should not throw stones on people and cows. And once he saw a holy man who was there, and other stories say he was also a very Pratyeka Buddha. He was meditating in his cottage. So बड़ा बढ़िया target है. So let me practice. And he kept on throwing stones till that person died. Obviously, firstly, at that time, people also became angry and they beat him up. And later on also, he got born in a number of times in Preta Lok. Any of these two, 14 and 15, uplift two together in a very interesting story. So we'll start with the last first. इति बालस्य संकप्पो इच्छा मानो च वर्धते. This is the बालस्य the मूर्ख का संकल्प थॉट है जिससे इच्छा और मान बढ़ता रहता है. इस तरह का संकल्प है. संतम भावनं इच्छेय. संतम मतलब जो नहीं है. भावनं here means respect. इच्छेय वो चाहता है. जो उसकी रिस्पेक्ट नहीं है और वो चाहता है कि मेरे लोग रिस्पेक्ट करें. पूरे खारंग च भिक्षुसु. पूरे खारंग पूरे पहले भिक्षुओं में वो चाहे कि मेरे प्रेसिडेंस हो. आई शुड बी ट्रीटेड एज ए सीनियर एंड गिवन रिस्पेक्ट देयर. आवासेषु च ईश्वर्यम. आवास मतलब जो है जो भिक्षुओं में कुटी मिलती है ना, उसमें भी मेरी प्रभुत्व हो. ईश्वर मैं जो चाहूँ वैसा ही हो. पूजम पर कुलेषु च. पंथ में दूसरे जो लोग हैं, दूसरे फैमिलीज अदर देन इवन माय ओन डिसाइपल्स, दे शुड आल्सो रिस्पेक्ट मी, दे शुड आल्सो बी डिवोटेड टू मी. ममेव कथं मन्यतु. मैंने ही सब कुछ किया है ऐसा माने कोई. मन्यतु माने. मेरे ममेव कथं मेरे द्वारा किया गया. यही मतलब जो ग्रह हाउस होल्डर्स हैं और पंचायत मतलब मॉन्क्स वो दोनों. तो ग्रह हुआ गृहस्थ हो चाहे मॉन्क्स हो, तो दोनों ये समझे कि सब कुछ मेरे ही द्वारा किया गया है. ममेव अतिवासा अस्तु. अतिवासा मतलब वश में हो. वश में मेरे ही वश में हो. अस्तु मतलब मे बी पीपल बी. किच्च अकिच्चेषु किस्म. किच्च मतलब किया हुआ, अकिच्च नहीं किया. हाँ, इसका मतलब एक्चुअली आप कह सकते हैं किया हो और न किया हो. एक्चुअली the translation of it is then whatever they do. So जो all kinds of the duties हैं, किसमें की whatever. So whatever kind of duties people do, that should be done under my will. जो मैं चाहूँ वैसे ही लोग करें. इसी बालस्य संकल्प. ऐसा मूर्ख इसके ऐसे विचार होते हैं, उसका मान और इच्छाएं जो है, इच्छाएं जो है बढ़ती रहती है. Naturally, this story is very interesting, pointing out the, in some sense, how that householder was better than the monk. So there's a story of this householder Chitta. He became a disciple and he became a Sotapanna. They were listening to the discourse of Venerable Mahanama. Then he built a monastery in a mango grove, and one monk used to come and he used to take care of Sudhamma Nam. So once Moggallana and Sariputta came to his monastery and they gave a discourse. And after that, this Chitta became Anagami. He attained third stage of awakening. Then he invited them, Moggallana and Sariputta, to food. And, and then he invited this resident monk also. The resident monk took office. उनको बुला लिया पहले मुझे बाद में बुलाया. You can see the kind of mental operations how the mind works. Chitta repeated him, but he still didn't come. Next day, when the two monks, great monks, had to come, then he also came to his house, but he didn't enter inside. So not the same arms around there. So when he thought that he was being feeding, they were feeding very good food to Moggallana and Sariputta, so थोड़ा परेशान. He said, I don't want to live in this and I will go. So then Suddhamma went to Buddha and told, this is what I did. So he told him, you have offended a faithful and lay disciple, you must go and apologize for your mistake. He goes and apologizes for his mistake. So the Chitta realizes that he is doing it superficially. He says, I don't accept your apology. And he again goes to the Buddha and then Buddha admonishes him with these two verses that you should not be attached to things like dwelling and all. Then after admonition he becomes calm and then again goes and sincerely apologizes. Then Chitta says, fine.
की बात कर लेते हैं.
लास्ट वाला मैं पढ़ देता हूँ. Very beautiful. अन्य ही लाभो उपनिषद अन्य निब्बान गामिनी एवं एतं अभिन्याय चित्तु बुद्धस्य सावको सत्कारं नाभिनंदेय विवेकम अनुरूप. अन्य ही लाभ उपनिषद. अन्य मतलब अदर हम कुछ और ही है. लाभ उपनिषद लाभ को प्राप्त करना, जो सांसारिक लाभ जो है उनको प्राप्त करना, वो बात एक है. अन्य निब्बान गामिनी, निब्बान का रास्ता दूसरा है. कोई वो नहीं, दे आर नॉट ऑन द सेम थिंग, दे आर नॉट सेम पाथ. एवं एते अविन्याय, एवं इस बात को ठीक तरह से जान के भिक्षु बुद्ध से सावक, भिक्षु monk who is the disciple of the Buddha, सत्कारम ना अभिनंदे. सत्कार मतलब सत्कार, अगर लोग रेस्पेक्ट करते हैं, ना अभिनंदे, he doesn't feel happy at the people respecting him. विवेकम अनुरूप है. विवेकम मतलब विवेक के दो जगह से अलग अलग मीनिंग दिया है. वन मीनिंग इज being in solitude. अनुरूप है he is practicing that, he feels happy in that, devotedly practices solitude. विवेक का मतलब वो होता है discrimination, knowledge, wisdom, we practice. Basically what is being said is something else is worldly gain and some other path is the deity that leads to Nibbana. They are not two of the same kind. So let a monk, the Buddha's student, having fully understood this, not feel glad when people respect him or worship him, but let him devote himself to solitude or to practice of the cultivation of wisdom. The story which we had read earlier also about that 7-year-old boy becomes a disciple of, in this case it is mentioned, he becomes a disciple of Sariputta. Elsewhere it is mentioned there was his cousin or something. This young boy's kissa, he becomes a disciple and then he devotes to meditation and becomes Arhan. But anybody who wishes to go, all that he will say is, you be happy. You be happy. People thought that he's such a small child, he hasn't really understood much of it. So they told Sariputta and Moggallana, and then once they came to the village, that they told him, send them to deliver discourse. So उन्होंने कह दिया बच्चे को, तो you deliver discourse. Villagers were a bit not very happy. We always heard only saying, you be happy. So they thought that he didn't understand. Then Chitta gave a discourse, very long discourse. Teachers were impressed, and then they got angry. पहले हम लोगों ने question दे देता था. So then Buddha came to the village and told them, "You don't think that he's a small boy. You must see how lucky you are that you have a person of that kind who comes from your village." And then they realized that yes, this is the reality. That is the conclusion of this chapter 5. I think we had read the first section on wholesome and unwholesome, second section on nutriment. We have to read the third section, 4 noble truths. This is the Sammadikti Sutta, which we have been reading for a long time. 9th Sutta of Majjhima Nikaya. It to be one of the most elaborate expositions on what is Sammadikti. We studied a large number of alternative ways of understanding what is the meaning of Sammadikti. First, he gives this: what is the meaning of Sammadikti? That a person has a clear understanding of what is wholesome, what is unwholesome, and he has a clear understanding of what is the root of wholesome, what is the root of unwholesome. This he says is this, and the noble disciple has understood the wholesome and understood the root of unwholesome, and he has understood what is unwholesome, and understood what is the root of wholesome, then he truly understands what is the right understanding, because then he can give up the basic attachment to the conceit I have. That is seen to be the most fundamental source of arising of defilement. Second we had read was nutriment. So what was the conclusion? When a noble disciple has thus understood nutriment, the origin of nutriment, the cessation of nutriment, and the way leading to cessation of nutriment, then he understands it thoroughly, and then we say he has got Samadhi. Because then also it will lead to the same thing, the tendency of I am, tendency to the view and conceit I am, overcome, given up. Then the last again 91. Sadhu also. दोबारा से प्रश्न पूछा, same thing being repeated. This is the message which is repeated at the end of every exposition of the Venerable Sariputta by these monks who listen to him. So sadhu avasu is good sadhu avasu is put together and become sadhu avasu. So good friend. He bhikkhu ayasmato Sariputtasya bhasitam abhinanditva. So those bhikkhus rejoiced at the exposition given by Sariputta, anumodit Good of it. Very happy. Ayasmatam Sariputtam and then Uttari Panyam Apucha. Panyam is question. Apucha is asked. So they again asked him, and further they asked him a question. Siyapana avso anyopi pariyayo यथा अर्य सावको सम्मादिष्टि होति उजुगतस्य दिष्टि धम्मे अवेच प्रसादेन समन्नागतो आगतो इमं धम्मं सियापन also means friend. Is their friend अन्योपि पर्यायो अन्य और दूसरा भी some other पर्यायो some other way of understanding यथा आर्य सावको सम्मादिष्टि. Is there some other way by which a noble disciple can be of sammaditya, of right view? Yugatasya ditti, that is the same thing. One who has a straight view. Dhamme avecha prasadene, he has unshakable confidence in Dhamma. Samannagata, who arrives at such a unshakable confidence. He has truly become established in Dhamma. Agato imam sad dhammam, and arrived at that Dhamma. So they ask him, is there some other way? And he says, Siya avaso, yes, there might be. Then he goes on to explain another thing. यतको आउसो अर्य सावको दुःखं च पजानाति दुःख समुदयं पजानाति दुःख निरोधं च पजानाति दुःख निरोधगामिनीं प्रतिपदा पजानाति एतत् स्वतापि को आउसो अर्य सावको सम्मादिष्टि. This is the standard explanation of sammaditthi which we read everywhere, even in the Mahasatipatthana, same exposition was given, but this is the normal meaning. Normal meaning is when a friend, Arya Savuku, a noble disciple, Dukkhancha Pajanati, he knows suffering, Dukkha Samudayancha Pajanati, he knows what is the origin of suffering, Dukkha Nirodhancha Pajanati, he knows the cessation of suffering, Dukkha Nirodhagaminam Patipada Pajanati, and he knows the path leading to cessation. This is the standard explanation. That the right view is explained as in this manner. That one should have a clear understanding of what is the real cause of suffering, and not see superficial cause and then say, okay, this is the way. Obviously, you can easily understand that part. If we truly know what is the real reason of suffering, then we'll be able to penetrate it and try to find out a way out of it. This way also, a noble disciple can be of right. Yugatasya ditti dhamme avecha prasadena samannagato agato imam saddhamma. That is, he will have right view, he will have the straight view, he will have unshakable confidence, he will arrive at unshakable confidence in Dhamma, and agato imam saddhamma, and he will have true understanding. Katamam panavso dukkham, katamo dukkha samudayo, katamo dukkha nirodho, katamo dukkha nirodhagamini padipata. What is, friends, what is dukkha, what is suffering? Katamo dukkha samudayo, what is the origin of suffering? Katamo dukkha nirodho, what is the cessation of suffering? Katamo dukkha nirodhagamini padipata, what is the path leading to cessation? Then, of course, we have the repetition of exactly same thing. We recall it from memory or read it out. Because you must have heard it so many times by now. Jati iti dukkha, at the end, at the last paragraph. No, Atmapanam and Jati iti. पिछली बार सुन लिया हमने. पाया सब प्रयोगो अब ये चित्ते पंच पंच अंधेषु सतीश विल ट्रांसलेट इट बहुत बात किया मरणम सुखम Paridevi crying lamentation. Upset mind. Mind is upset. Payasa, agitation, and kind of, remembering past, कि मुझसे गलती हो गई and that kind of. ये ही क्या? Remember, not forget. नहीं, अब ये ही आगे क्या है? संपयोगो मतलब मिलना. अप्रिय ही मतलब जो अप्रिय है. अप्रिय है उनसे मिलना. विप्रयोग प्रिय ही प्रिय से विप्रयोग मतलब छूट जाना. यम अपनी इच्छम न लभती. यम अपनी इच्छम जो हम इच्छा करते हैं न लभती पाते नहीं है. तम अपनी दुखम फंडामेंटल चीज है. यम अपनी इच्छम न लभते तम अपनी दुख नहीं मिले तो दुख. Slowly trying to take it to generalization, starting from birth, then he says, प्रिय विप्रयोगो दुखो अप्रिय संप्रयोगो दुखो. then still generalize, further generalize कर दिया. यमपि इच्छम न लभते तमपि दुःखम. जो चाहते हैं वो नहीं मिलता. हम चाहते हैं कि जो प्रिय हमारे साथ रहे वो उससे विपरीत हो गया. चाहते हैं कि अप्रिय ना आए वो साथ आते रहते हैं. then we come up to final. संक्षिप्तेन पंच उपादान खंडा. संक्षिप्त में in brief these five khandhas of which we are attached, they are the real source of suffering. What does it really mean? We have discussed it so many times. This is, friends, what is called suffering. So what is it again? पंच उपादान खंडा. इतनी बार डिस्कस किया. अब आपको बताना पड़ेगा, आपको समझाना पड़ेगा. आप बता रहे हैं. You have to tell. What are those normal language that is? One is the body. The body, we are attached to the body. What else we are attached to? We need not remember those five names. We can just think of ourselves. What are those five things? Or what are the things which we are attached? Right? The five aggregate things is what is called as human beings. So we can think about ourselves to what we are attached. We are attached to the body. शॉल उड़ा हुआ है, ठंड लग रही है, ये है, वो है. Of course, partly it is requirement, partly it is ability to attach. What are the various activities of the mind? And one is the feelings. अच्छी फीलिंग हो रही है कि नहीं. ठंडा ठंडा लग रहा है कि गर्म लग रहा है. बहुत ज्यादा ठंडा वो भी बुरा है, बहुत गर्म है तो वो भी बुरा है. So we have that kind of a feeling, that it should be a pleasant feeling, unpleasant feeling. So that is what we attach to. My feeling, your feeling. What else? Perception. ये चीज ठीक है, ये आदमी अच्छा है, वो आदमी इस पार्टी वाला अच्छा है, वो उस पार्टी वाला बुरा है. अगर नहीं मेरा पार्टी वाला अच्छा है तो हो गया खुशी. So you can see the perceptions, how we get caught in those perceptions.
our actions, our volition, what we want to do, this is what I want to do. We should follow that. मैं कहा कि ये बनाओ तो यही बनना चाहिए घर में और दूसरे में नहीं बनना चाहिए. My feeling, my position जो है, there should be my karma जो है, जो तुम कर्म संस्कार कहते हैं, संस्कार, habit patterns, strong habit patterns. They are the ones. These are the ones which a good person should have, not others, not what you have, isn't it? So that volition, attachment to our volition, attachment to our mental formation. Finally, of course, the biggest of all, attachment to my knowledge, cognition, my consciousness. I am seeing. Of course, I am seeing. I'm talking. What else? Who else is talking? What do you mean? These are my consciousness. That is the biggest, of course, magic with which we get attached. Seems so obvious. I am feeling, I am seeing. Okay, feelings are changing. All right, they are not me. Agreed. Body is changing. Consciousness तो है यार. Later on, feeling मानूंगा. So that is the kind of illusion which creates us and remains trapped in this sensory domain. So these are the five khandas. So that is the exposition on dukkha. Let us read the exposition on vision of. So आप सब लोग जानते हैं ना ये get out and play. So dukkha samudaya. What friends is दुख का समुदाय क्या है, दुख का ओरिजिन क्या है. You heard so many times. नंदी राग सहगता. नंदी राग सहगता. यावत तन्हा. याम तन्हा मतलब ये यही है तृष्णा. जो तन्हा मतलब तृष्णा. कैसी तृष्णा है? नंदी राग सहगता. राग के साथ में डिलाइट करती, नंदी है, मजा आता है, अभिनंदन करती. नंदी राग सहगता, उसके साथ चलती. तृष्णा जो है, जो प्लेजरेबल चीजें हैं उनके प्रति अटैचमेंट होती है और उनके साथ चलती है. नंदी राग सहगता मतलब साथ चलने वाली. तत्र तत्र मतलब यहाँ वहाँ. अभिनंदनी. अभिनंदन करती हो. कभी यहाँ अच्छा लगता है, कभी कोई टेस्ट चाहिए, कोई साइट चाहिए, कोई साउंड चाहिए, कोई स्मेल चाहिए. तो कीप्स ऑन here and there, keeps on getting attached. Just like this. Give an example. It's like this. Amatana. So these are the Sayedam, that is to say, Amatana. Krishna is attached to the sensory pleasures. Bhavatanha. Bhavatanha means becoming. Desire to become. It can be interpreted both ways. Desire to become something. I'm a deputy general manager, I should become general manager. I'm general, I should become this, I should become. That is one way of it. But in the Dhammic sense, it is said, desire to become something. Become means get another life, get another birth. I should keep on getting one birth after another. Today I am human being, then I should become a Deva, next I should become Brahma, then I should become something and something. That desire to become. Bhavatanha means the desire not to become. And I have studied that there is no I, nothing, and I said, I should not be anything. I should not be. Or in the other sense, it is interpreted, I should not become something lesser than what I am, lesser in that sense. Or you can say, this, if you want to even generalize Vibhavatana, desire that something should not happen, something bad should not happen. That also is a kind of a mood. In the Dhammic sense, they said that desire that I should not get out of this cycle of birth and death. So we पढ़ लिया ना, हमने समझ लिया, उनको इस जन्म जो संसार चक्र है से बाहर निकलना चाहिए. और वही कृष्ण बना ली, मैं इससे कैसे बाहर निकलूँ, बाहर निकलना है, बाहर निकल, मुझे मेरा दोबारा जन्म ना होगा दोबारा. So that will give another Krishna. हाँ, so one has to recognize it in that. Starting to us, driving to us is even a desire, but desire should not become tanha. Is not really desire, obsession, grasping of it. holding on to that, obsession of it. That is a natural urge of the human being, but we should not get obsessed. There are the three modes of tanha which we have studied. Amatana, avatana can be taken, in a strictly commentatorial tradition. So, sensory plane attachment, attached to the Krishna related to becoming again, getting born again and again. Krishna related to not getting born. But if you take a general view, then you can explain it in a much wider sense. Some of the great teachers explained it in a much wider sense. Desire to become anything, in terms of materialistic, or desire that something may not happen to us. Desire to give up craving. अपनी राग छोड़ना चाहिए, राग तो पहले वो भी उतरना नहीं बन जाए, राग से मुक्ति चाहिए, राग से मुक्ति चाहिए, तो उतरना होगी, राग नहीं आया, राग नहीं आया. So then you are caught in the opposite direction. You can't get out of it. You see it in this. There is a subtle point of bhavatanha and vibhavatanha put together. Becoming a sotapanna. इतने सालों के साथ में उतरना जान गई. Just recognize it. Anything, even in the domain of spiritual practices, one can get into bhavatanha or vibhavatanha. राग से मुक्ति चाहिए, राग से मुक्ति चाहिए, द्वेष से मुक्ति चाहिए, ये करना ही बना दी उसको. Your fault, you suffer all the time. I am Uchyate. Also, friend. This is friend. This is I am this. Uchyate is called friend. Also, friend. This friend is called the samudaya of the origination of the. What friend? What is the cessation of the? Tasya eva, that very. Tasya eva means that very. जो भी बताया था ना, वही that very. अच्छा है. उसी तृष्णा का अशेष विराग निरोधो. The word अशेष. अशेष मतलब कोई शेष न रह जाए. Remainderless. Remainderless. Explain, complete. You use this word अशेष विराग निरोध. Completely absent, complete giving up. Shagam त्याग कर दिया. Nirodho means cessation. Cessation means natural cessation, not forcibly. Shagam मतलब त्याग कर दिया, उस attachment छोड़. Pati nisargo, they are all synonyms. Pati nisargo में उससे दूर हो गए, हट गए. इसमें मुक्ति. अनालय होता, आलय होता घर को. अनालय become away from it. Friend, this is friend. What is called? What is this? What is that friend called? Let's see. This very tanha, which was the cause of suffering, if you give it up with no remainder, absolute cessation of it. That is Suhyan. Then the other synonyms, Mukti, Nadayo, that is the giving about the tanha of all kinds, all the three kinds of tanha. That is freedom. What friend? What friend is Dukha Nirodhagami Patipada? Know it very well now, like path leading to the cessation of suffering. This is that very eightfold path. Those monks must have heard it so many times. Same eightfold path. That is to say,
Are
छत आबुसो दुख निरोध गामिनी प्रतिपदा। Start in the order में दिए हुए उसको पढ़ लेते हैं। सम्मादित्य is first and what is next? अच्छा वो मैं इसका एक्सक्लूड कर दिया होगा तो रिड्यूस। तो what are they? सम्मादित्य के बाद नेक्स्ट क्या है? सम्मादित्य के जो प्रज्ञा के दो पार्ट क्या है, क्या क्या है? संकल्प, right thinking, right intention, then we started Sammavacha, Sila, Sammavacha, Kammanto, Ajivo, right livelihood, then three parts of Sammavayamo, Sammasati, तो लास्ट में वो बीच में डॉट ला के यत को आउसो हरिय सावको एवं दुःखं पजानाति एवं दुःख समुदयं पजानाति एवं दुःख निरोधं पजानाति एवं दुःख निरोधगामिनीं प्रतिपदं पजानाति सो सब्बसो रागानुसयं बहाय पतिघानुसयं पतिविरोधेत्वा अस्मिति दिट्ठिमानानुसयं समूहयन् हानित्वा अविद्यं पहाय विद्यम् उपादेत्वा दिट्ठिवेय धम्मे दुःखस्य अंतकरो एतत्वतपिको आवुसो अर्य सावको सम्मा दिट्ठि होति युगतस्य दिट्ठि धम्मे अवेच प्रसादेन समन्नागतो आगतो एवं अर्य सावको एव दुःखं पजानाति. So when a noble disciple has in this manner understood the suffering, understood dukkha samudayam pajanati, he has understood properly the origin of suffering. Nirodham pajanati, he has understood meaning, got the grasp of it, he has got the perception, the feeling of it, the experience of it, dukkha nirodha, evam dukkha nirodha gamini patipadam, and knows the path leading to the cessation of suffering. So, sabbaso raga anusayam pahaya. Raga anusayam means the latent tendencies of raga, even those he gives up. Patika anusayam means give up the latent tendencies of aversion. Remove them, pati vinodetva is taken them out. Asmiti ditti mana anusayam samah. That feeling of I am, the feeling of man, conceit I am, is being extirpated, निकाल दिया हुआ. अर्थ बिल्कुल बाहर कर दिया उस फीलिंग को. अविद्याम बहाय विद्यम उपादेत. अविद्या को छोड़कर विद्यम बहाय विद्यम उपादेत. And the knowledge has arisen in him. Dittheva dhamme dukkasya antakaro hoti. Dittheva dhamme means he has seen the dhamma and completely so he has become an arhat. This is actually the implication of having become an arhat. Dittheva dhamme dukkasya antakaro hoti. Completely finished with all. Etadvatapiko also in this way also friends. Arya Savako Sammaditi, as noble disciple is said to be a right view. Utugatasya Ditti, or the straight view, Dhamme Aveta Prasadeni Samannagato, he has arrived at the confidence in Dhamma. Agato Imam Santama. He is said to be truly arrived at Dhamma. He has become established. This is was the standard formulation. So whenever if you see other discourses, most discourses of the Buddha, and these are Samadhi, this will be the reply. Samadhi Patthana there also. What is Samadhi? Dukkha se jnanam, dukkha samudaya jnanam, dukkha nirodha jnanam, dukkha nirodha patipataya jnanam. The brief exposition. So always This is the standard form. Everything else is an exposition given by Sariputta. Give more profound and deeper, very varied kind of explanation, so that people can relate it in different ways. They're a part of Tripitaka. Push you. So that's the Sariputta thing. We had passed away earlier. These we must have decided to include them in the part of it. Sariputta के कुछ discourses हैं, Vilayan के कुछ हैं, कुछ महाकश्यप जी के एक आध दानव के भी हैं. So some whatever the assembly must have decided. So in बच्चे में लिखा है this discourses also. In fact, I think it is said that out of 84,000, 82,000 are discourses of Buddha, others are the. Then the monks keep on asking, Advausoti khote bhikkhu ayasmato sariputtasya bhasitam abhinanditva anumoditva ayasmantam sariputtam uttari manyam apucham Advausoti. So this is a good friend. Then the bhikkhu ayasmato sariputtasya bhasitam abhinaditva. In the words of the Sariputta, they rejoiced in his words, anumoditva, they approved of his words. Ayasmatam Sariputtam Uttari Panyam to Uttari Panyam. Again, further they asked from the Venerable Sariputta, they asked, Siyapanavsu Anyopi Pariyayo. Is there some other way? Yatha Arya Savako, by which Dhamma Ditti Arya Savaka would have right view. Is there some other way? Yugatasya Ditti would have a right straight view. Dhamme Avecha Pasadena Samannagata. Arrived at the confidence. Agato imam dhamma, arrived at the truth. Siya also. Siya actually means might be. Yes, there might be. Again, goes on with another explanation. Yatako also, Arya Savako. This should be read it. Savako. परंच जानति. मतलब if you can translate, yatako also means when friends, someone jara marana prajanati, knows that jara and old age, aging and death. Origin of aging and death. So the cessation of this whole process of jara and maran, aging and you see the formulation is exactly same. Reading this. Everywhere the same formulation is repeated. And now from this point onwards, he will relate it without saying that, he will relate it to the Paticcasamuppada. Beautifully he has put it down. Without, he won't mention that word, but you can see, because he is now talking of suffering, now he is saying, you know about what is the reason for Jara Maran, because that is the suffering. Suffering. If you know that also properly, truly, then also you have a right understanding. Etatva, this way also, appeal also, etatva in this way also. The particle also is friend, a noble disciple, becomes established in right view. He has a right view. View is straight. View straight. He has a clear, right, straight understanding. Prasadena. Samanna Gato. Samanna Gato means arrived at. He has arrived at the competence in He's had to be established in that. What? And what is aging and death? Translated now. What is written there?
Precision of that.
Wait.
So today I think there is a problem with the voice because we don't have that sound guard that Deepak had, ना? नहीं वो सब दीपक के पास ही था उसने पेश को दिया था and he didn't come so we are having a problem with the sound and people can't hear much. Just try and I don't know. Try with अगली बार तो साउंड कार्ड होगा हमारे पास. ऐसे नहीं हुआ. जनरल साउंड इसका ही माइक्रोफोन चल रहा है इसका ही साउंड. So maybe next time I think we'll have much better sound. Because next time uh, Deepak would be here, no?
ये नहीं चल रहा है.
इससे नहीं चल पा रहा. I can tell, you know, right. What about the sound? नहीं सर लगेगा तो नहीं.
मैसेज कि नहीं आ रहा?
उन्होंने लिखा था कि पहले भी आया था.
Recording.
रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है.
नहीं रिकॉर्डिंग तो वही है बट वो साउंड क्वालिटी ठीक नहीं है.
उसमें भी तो नहीं है.
उसमें भी नहीं है.
Just manage it.
the next way of an explanation of Samadhi. यतो को आवसु अर्य सावको जरा मरणं च पजानाति जरा मरण समुदयं पजानाति जरा मरण निरोधं च पजानाति जरा मरण निरोध गामिनी पटिपदा च पजानाति एतत्वतपि को आवसु अर्य सावको सम्मा दिट्ठी होती उजुगतस्य दिट्ठी धम्मे अवेच प्रसादेन समन्नागतो आगतो इमं सद्धम्मम् कतमं पन्नावसो जरा मरणं कतमो जरण मरण समुदयो कतमो जरा मरण निरोधो कतमा जरा मरण निरोध गामिनी पटिपदा. Ask that, questioning first, what is the aging in old age, aging in death? What is the origin of aging in death? What is the cessation of aging in death? And what is the path leading to the cessation of aging? Yeah, Tesang, these also are the same thing which you might have remembered if you remember in the Satipatthana we hear this. Yeah, Tesang, Sattanang, Tamhi, Sattanikai, Jara, Dhiranda, Khandicham, Palicham, Malitcha, Ayuno, Samhani, Indriyanam, Paripapo, Ayam, Muchato, Avso, Jara. This is actually exactly same words which you find in Satipatthana. Explaining what is aging. Of course, we'll say we all know, but then they are that in order to explain it in various synonyms of aging are given. Tesam, Sattanam, Tamhi, Sattvanikaya means being born in different order of beings. Sattvanikaya, दूसरी अलग-अलग beings हैं in different order में, मतलब you can be a human being, you can be animal, you can be Deva, you can be Brahma, you can be Preta, and so on. So these beings are the beings wherever they are born in various orders of being, passing of beings out of various orders of being. Jara, Jiranta, the kind of becoming old, the aging of beings in various orders of being, their old age. Jiranta means old age. Khandicham means tootna baat, the breaking of teeth. Paricham means the hair getting white, grey hair. Valitcha, Ayuno Samhani means age getting finished, age getting extinct, becoming age coming to the end. So these are the various synonyms. Ayuno Samhani, Indriyanam Paripako. The age senses have become ripened, so they are no longer working properly. These are all synonyms of, you can say, indicators of old age. So the aging of beings in various orders of being, their old age, brokenness of teeth, grayness of hair, wrinkling of skin, valitaccha, tacha means skin, valitachata, there is wrinkling of skin, ayuno samhani is translated as decline of life, indriyanam paripako is translated as weakness of faculty. This is what is called aging. Tesam sattanam tamha sattvanikaya chuti chavanta vedo antardhanam machu maranam kalam kriya खंदानम भेदो कालेवरस्य निक्षेपो जीवित इंद्रियस्य उपच्छेदो इदम मुच्यते मरणम. These are the various ways by which the process where death is being mentioned out in various ways. Passing out of various orders of being, they are passing away. Dissolution, antardhyana means disappearance, machu means dying, maranam same thing, dying. Kalam kriya means time getting finished, the completion of the time. No, they are not ways of, they are just the explanations being given. Maybe different people understand it differently. Same thing, synonyms of the word are being given. Just as with aging, it is easy to see. Brokenness of teeth, wrinkling of skin, grayness of hair. So that any one of these symptoms matching, you recognize it. So with the death, of course, similarly these explanations are given of different kinds of explanations, which are all the representations of what happens at death. Antardhana, machu, maranam, kalam, kriya, khandanam, bhedo.
Kalevrasya nikhipa means the body is being laying down of the body. Jivit indriyasya upachchedo. Jivit indriya means the life force, the life faculty which is there within us. Breaking away of the life faculty. Idam muchyate avuso marana. This science is called the death. Ayancha jara idancha maranam. This is aging and this is death. Idam muchyata avuso jara maranam. This is what is called jara marana, which he had given that complete. Jati samudaya jara marana samudayo. Jati nirodho jara marana nirodho. So he is now telling the root cause of it. So what is the root cause of it? Jati samudaya jara marana samudayo. With the arising of birth, there is the arising of cessation, the aging and old death. So if you get born, then aging and old death is going to happen. There's no way that you can escape from that. Then jati samudaya jara marana samudayo. Jati nirodho jara marana nirodho. If the birth is extinguished, so he'll take it to discuss to the next level of. So he is understanding what is the root cause of aging and he's not talking of illness. The root cause is because you are born, you are bound to die. Jara marana samudayo. Jara jati nirodho jara marana nirodho. So if the cessation of birth, this will also be ceased. Ayam eva riyu athangiko maggo jara marana nirodha gavani. So this very eightfold path is the path leading to the extinction of jara and marana. Seyathaidam. What is that? Samadhi. All those eightfold things are. फैन लेते नहीं आप होता में हमारी माता जी को चाय के साथ अपनी माता जी यही खाती थी हमारे गेस्ट भी आते हैं ना जैसे हमारी कश्मीरी चाय बनती बनती ये तो हमारे घर में ऑलमोस्ट लाती लाते हैं ऐसा भी जैसे कि सच में नमकीन चाय होती है So we concluded here because this needs more explanation. Very long you. Then we'll accept. Then you say rebirth होना है rebirth there is no way because इसका इतना एविडेंस कलेक्ट हो रहा है अभी भी एक अभी मैंने मेरे को लिंक भेजा था आई डोंट नो वेदर आई सेंट इट टू यू एक हाँ दैट तो होगी अब आप इफ यू रीड बुद्धा's words you know he mentions when will a Buddha be born. That's a very interesting thing. I mean, whether you take it as story or reality doesn't matter. So वो जो उसमें मैंने पढ़ा था जब पढ़ रहा था ना पाली कोर्स उन्होंने कहा बुद्धा किस eon में he does not get born in every eon. He gets born only in that eon where the age of the people is of this order, 100 years and around that. There are eons in which the age of the person is 10,000 years. तो उसमें तो लोगों को पता ही नहीं चलता कि सफरिंग किया, तो that's not the appropriate time for them to go. नहीं, उनको अंदाजा बहुत देर में होता है ना, यंग एज में, जो यंग एज इतनी लंबी है, 10,000 100,000 ईयर्स की लाइफ है, उससे बहुत समय है, तो कोई बात नहीं, बहुत देर है. So there are beings, for example, जो देवलोक हैं या ब्रह्मलोक हैं, they say the ब्रह्मलोक people, why do they think that we have become अमर बन गए? तो इसलिए कि यहाँ पे धरती को देखते हैं कि एक इवन खत्म हो गया, एक युग खत्म हो गया, दूसरा युग खत्म हो गया, वो लोग प्राणी वही है, तो दे रिमेन अंडर द इल्यूजन. हम तो आनंद है यार, क्या है, देखो वो देखते देवता भी मर रहे हैं ना, देखो एक युग खत्म हुआ, देवता ही मर गए, मैं तो वही, उसको ब्राह्मण लगता मैं ही हूँ क्रिएट, मैं तो हमेशा रहता हूँ. That is a kind of a warning available to us कि वो आप लाइफ कितनी भी बढ़ा दो. That is a very fundamental difference between the teaching of the Buddha and, for example, in the Hindu pantheon, जैसे हिंदू में बताया जाता है ना कि जो देवलोक हैं, देवता हैं, अमर माने जाते हैं, उन्होंने अमृत पी लिया, अमर है, वो तो मरेंगे नहीं. That is not accepted in the Buddha's. There is nothing like that. He says Devas and the Brahmas also, at least in the discourses it comes, they're all, the only thing is that they have a long life. That there's a very interesting discourse, I think बक ब्रह्मा का डिस्कोर्स हमने नहीं पढ़ा है ना, ये डिस्कस नहीं किया बक ब्रह्मा का. It sounds very interesting. उसमें क्या है कि जो भगवान बुद्ध जब सुबह सुबह ध्यान करते थे, you used to think आज किसको खास तौर पे मैथिली देनी है, तो एक दिन उनको ख्याल आया कि ये बक ब्रह्मा उसको देनी है, तो मेरा इस जन्म में मेरा फ्रेंड था बचपन में, he said right today I must do. Then he sees with his clairvoyance, he sees that बक ब्रह्मा को तो भ्रम है कि मैं तो अमर हूँ, तो सुनने वाला ही नहीं मेरी बात. But he goes there out of feeling of gratitude and friendship. He goes there, and then Bhag Brahma is very much amazed that a human being has come here. He says, yes, you must be very powerful. I understand. You come here, but you know, I am the boss at the top, so there's nothing, you can't beat me anyway. So then he tries to tell him, and he doesn't understand. He says, okay, let's have a competition. Let's see who is more powerful. You try to hide from me, and I'll try to see if I can find you, and I will hide you, and you try to. So this is the kind of game he plays with. So there he says, okay, Bhagavama, wherever he goes to hide, he is there in front of him. Okay, now you hide. So they say that he goes into Nibbana Samapatti. He takes into that realm. You can't find out anywhere where he goes. So he tells him, what to Nibbana? He goes to from that rock, he goes to Arup Brahmalok. You can't find me even in there. What do you talk of Nirvana? You understand, yet he must be more powerful than him. So then he becomes willing to listen to him. So that kind of a injunction and stories are available already here. वो जो there is a school of thought, no, materialistic school का तो यही विचार है ना, that after all someday we'll be able to do it. Okay, just in the infinite life, and there is no aging in that. निर्वाण प्राप्त हो जाएगा. हाँ, मतलब इसी शरीर में निर्वाण चाहिए तो हमको तो नहीं. Actually, it will be indefinite prolonging of suffering. Even physical suffering is, there is no doubt on that issue. And you can reduce it. You can reduce it to a very low level. But aging will eventually overtake it. Not 100,000, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. I think my son had once shown me one film. I don't know name क्या था उसका. उसमें कंप्यूटर वाले लोग हैं, एक रोबोट बना देते हैं. उसमें एक कुछ बनाने के बाद उसमें एबिलिटी होती है कि वो अपने पार्ट्स रीजनरेट कर सकता है. उसमें जब वो चल रहा होता है तो उसमें कुछ सर्किटरी में प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है एंड इट बिकम्स ऑटोनोमस. वो अपने आप ही चलने लगता है एंड देन इट क्रिएट्स अ हैवक. यहाँ जाता है, उसको इमरजेंसी हो जाती है, टैंक्स कम एंड दे शूट एट हिम. एक हाथ यहाँ से कट जाता है, फिर रीजनरेट हो जाता है. नो वे. And then somehow he develops some kind of an emotion. Then a person comes and then gives him some feeling of love and kindness, and then he goes wrong. Deepak is also in USA. No, अच्छा आपने कैसे? Yes, 530. तो यहाँ कौन थे? रमन अकेले थे? रमन रख ले. हैं? कितने? 500 लोग गए तो 500 people traveling means a lot of money. There must be majority of the people were there. I hope he's not caught in this snow blizzard आ रहा है. Usually, New York and right up to Boston.
Not more important. He, recently Buddhism is an attitude. We are forgetting that attitude.
Attitude तो है, but this is in fact article मैंने पढ़ा. Search he had done on such but Patnabad. He has developed his own. ये महासती पठाना ये तो
Different है.
महासती पठाना it is assembly of all this. Repeatedly, that is not उत्पादन है. जो धम्मम जानादि वो प्रतिशत उत्पादन है. क्लियर है भगवान की आनंद कहते हैं कि ये बड़ी मुझे तो बिल्कुल क्लियर हो गया. प्रॉब्लम है तो not so easy. And then he gives this जो प्रतिशत उत्पादन जानादि धम्मम जानादि हो जाएगा. Right away, प्रतिशत उत्पादन all of it. Understanding of whenever there is something that identify carrying intellect तो साथ हमेशा ही है. Otherwise you get caught in the process of जैसे ध्यान करते हैं आप समय में देखे जा रहे हैं, you will get lost in it. Allowing it to rise, create a new insight. तभी rise होगी whenever experiences arise, investigate it. This Krishna wrote,